Hey, look at this. J&S Gear. Differential sales and service right over here on Gothard. Let's check out what's happening in the parking lot. We got Gary's 5.7. Check out the Nova, the Chevy 2 with a post. How about that? Weld wheels. Look at that. We'll take a closer look inside. See what we got. Got dice on the mirror. Oh, we got a happy guy in the back seat there. Look at that. And check that out there, huh? Woo-wee. Look at that. That means business. Bench seat, roll up windows, tachometer. Yeah, probably got some gears in that rear that'll get that thing boogied up. Oh, California black plate too. Mr. Nosty. How about that? What a license plate that is. Mr. Nosty. Yo, look at that. White blue guts. That's a nice little Chevy 2. Man, look what we got right next to it. We got a power wagon. Looks like a dump truck. Powered by a 440 cubic inch high performance Mopar power plant. 4-wheel drive. Oh, yeah, done up in race car yellow. Yeah, we got a water hole right there. And look at that. Automatic column shifter. Bench seat. Yeah, of course. Look at that. Spare tire carrier. All-terrain. BF Goodrich. TAs. Air locker, air operated locking differential. Another gas hole. Got a lock on it. Look at that. Woo-wee. Dang, that's pretty. I can pick 'em up trucks with a dump body. It looks like a dump body, but it might just be a stake body. Oh no, yeah, this looks like a stake body. Ah, looks like he carries a motorcycle back there. How cool is that, huh? Probably came in for some gears in its rear, don't you think? I would think so. Got a spoiler up on the back. Whoa. Now look what we got here. A Chevrolet. The dual antennas are electric because they're down. It's a soft top. It's a triple black car. Black. 3-speed. Two-speed automatic. Is that a power glide? And look at that. V8 flags on the side of it. California black plate. Look at that. What a lineup. Just those three alone, right? The Mopar with Chevrolet bookends. And we got to add a Ford to the mix. We got a Lincoln. Look at that. A presidential John F. Kennedy. I got shot in a Lincoln. Wide white Goodyear tires. Suicide rear doors. Black interior rear seat speaker. How about that? 120 mile an hour on the clock. Continental. Oh. And then, what's inside there? Of course, we got the DanoLive van, and we got the Yale forklift. We got the doggies guarding the house. Oh, look at John's 63 Chevrolet. Nisham lines in the back. And a right-hand driver. Real hot rod, gears and pedal. Got a tachometer. Yeah, count those pedals. 3 of them. A gear shift. Never drove a right-hand drive car. Have you? Got the old blankie on the back for the doggies. So when they ride in back there, they don't make a swelling on the seats. Look at that. 409. White top over blue. She's real fine, mine. 409. Let's check it out here on the wing window. Yo. Sporting it down live. That's John Coleman's personal car, a DanoLive sponsor. We got the microwave out here to cook some doggy. What are you doing, pup? Huh? You guarding the house? Man, look what we got in here. Got Gary working away, working on a rear end back there. You got a Chevelle up on the rack. We got a project car here that John's been working on. We got gears on pallets. How about that? We got another hot rod here. Some more gears on pallets. Typical shop. The guy working the machine that I have no idea how to work. He's got it down. Yeah. Look at that. This is a working man shop. There's machines in here I don't even know what the heck they'd be used for. But John's got them all. Anything you need, yeah, he can probably build it. But he is a craftsman. Oh, speaking of the devil, I caught him turning some rears. Hey John, DanoLive here. What's going on at the shop?
As little as possible.
Little as possible, yeah. Oh, you know, I'm surprised all that bad air out there with the fires. That you guys got the doors open and working away, but.
So, well, you had to come in when the shop was filthy, didn't you?
Yeah, of course. You know, that's how I roll. You gotta see that way. It looks like he actually do some work.
We're so busy we don't know time to clean up.
Yeah. So got that Chevelle up there. Was that 71?
Yeah, got the last of the parts for it today, so I can get it finished.
Yeah. Hotchkiss suspension. What kind of gears in the rear?
373.
373. All right. And is it power up to 350?
He's putting a big block in 4080.
Ooh, okay. So you got enough gears in the rear then, huh?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. And I noticed you got some good inventory out there.
Yes.
That Nova is 66, 67,
yeah.
72 rather.
Yeah, it's a nice car.
Yeah, nice car. Yeah, well wheels on it. But that Dodge truck there, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, that's a brand new build. Another shop in Huntington Beach built it.
Yeah, I can't say I've ever seen that before. Yeah, so must be just getting done. Yeah.
Nice.
Then we got look at that Chevrolet and Lincoln side to side, or side by each, as Mike Rios will say out of Sinners and Saints Car Club. Then you got the dog out watching the entrance, but they let me in.
Yeah, that Chevy's got a little issue going on in the back there, and Lincoln, they're putting all the new rear end.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Has it been an original rear end, or is it just something that's been worked on over time and just not doing the job?
Not in the Lincoln? No, it's got an old Dana 41 in it, and it's useless.
All right.
So I put a 90s Ford in it.
All right. Oh, cool. So besides that, we got the 409 out in the front. Does that mean you're taking it to cruise night?
Yes, it does.
All right. And Gary's got his out there for a quick exit, so maybe he's going to show up too, huh?
No, I think he has to do something like that.
Oh, okay.
My wife was supposed to go to cruise night with me, but she's babysitting, so I guess I got something going on.
Well, you know, there's going to be tacos from 5 to 7.
Tacos?
Tacos, yeah. Steve Migliore is cooking some tacos.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. All right. Well, there we have it. We were at City Council last night, the club president and myself.
I saw that.
Getting recognized. Well, he gets recognized. Yeah. So, there you have it. Over here, one of my sponsors, John DanoLive Gear. You need a gear in your rear? Yeah, he'll kick it in. That right there. That's the man you come see. How about that? He got his hair done for me and all.
I'm not very photogenic.
There's Gary back there doing some rear work. And I am your host, DanoLive.
Mercedes-Benz right now.
How about that, huh? Time to say goodnight. Our wagon's in the shop for the night. Fresh build. Hasn't been debuted, but it's here on DanoVision. DanoLive.